Hi, I'm Devyani Pasolkar and I'm a Senior Product Marketing Manager at Aerohive. Today I want to talk to you about Aerohive's new AP150W. This is a new wall plate or desktop mounted access point and switch. This device integrates a 3x3x3 802.11ac Wave 2 Wi-Fi with dual radios and a 4-port Gigabit switch to provide in-room wired, wireless and PoE connectivity. This device comes future-proof with integrated BLE and ZigBee radios for connectivity to IoT devices and sensors. This is the industry's only 3x3x3 wall plate configuration, and it provides speeds of up to 1.3 gigabits per second over the air, which ensures that students, guests and residents receive reliable and high-speed dedicated Wi-Fi. Now you can certainly connect in-room wired devices such as IPTVs and network projectors. This port is PoE capable, and there's also a passive pass-through port which is PoE capable. This means that you can conveniently connect and power a wipe phone, an IoT sensor, a security camera, and even another access point. As you can see, it has a nice and clean, elegant design which is aesthetically appealing. It is very easy to install into the wall or can optionally be used with a desk stand. Either way, it's a nice retrofit solution because it leverages existing network wiring and wall plate network jacks. This AP is purpose-built for deployments in hotel rooms, student housing and dormitories, long-term care residencies, and multi-dwelling units. Like all other Aerohive access points, this device is built on the powerful Hive OS and can be cloud managed, which means that it is very easy and simple to deploy and manage this device along with the other Aerohive devices from one centralized location, which includes subscription-free lifetime cloud management with Aerohive Connect. This has been a brief overview of the AP150W from Aerohive Networks. Thank you for watching.